Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Interactive Brokers. First, you'll need to open an account online, which is a straightforward process. Once your account is approved, fund it by linking your bank account for transfers. Then, download the Trader Workstation platform to access all the trading features. This initial setup is crucial for getting started with your investments. After logging into Trader Workstation, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your next step is to find the order entry window, which is where you'll initiate all your trades. Use the search bar within this window to look up the specific stock symbol you wish to purchase. This ensures you're trading the correct security. Once you've found your stock, enter its symbol and the number of shares you want to buy. Next, select your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you specify a maximum price. Always review all the trade details carefully before confirming your order to prevent errors. After placing your order, it's important to monitor its status. Keep an eye on your open orders and current positions within the platform to see how your investments are performing. Consider setting up price alerts to be notified of significant movements. Regularly review your account statements to understand your portfolio's overall health and transaction history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.